Okay, so the next question, question number 2. Find the sums given below. So the first part, I write down the question. It's 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 plus dash dash plus 84. So you're supposed to find the sum here. Okay, so we don't know the value of n here. They haven't given the number of terms. Like 7 is the first term, this is the second term, third term, and lastly 84 is the last term. So what we know is the first term, we know the last term, but we don't know n value. So this formula n by 2 a plus l, right now we cannot use it because n value is unknown. How do you find n value? Maybe using this 84 value. 84 is the nth term, the last term. an is 84, the nth term. So an, we know the formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is 84. So in this formula, we know a value, which is 7. A value is 7. The common difference value is this minus this. Okay, 10 and a half is 21 by 2 minus 7, which we simplified. So that will give you 21 minus 14 as 7 by 2 as the common difference value. So we know a and d. So we can substitute a and d here and get the value of n. So a is 7 plus n minus 1. N value we don't know. Common difference value is 7 by 2 is equals to 84. So this plus 7 here goes to the other side, becomes minus 7. The 7 by 2 I'll keep it as it is for the time being. N minus 1 into 7 by 2 is 84 minus 7, which is 77. So now I can write n minus 1 as the 7 by 2 is in multiplication with n minus 1. So 7 by 2, when it goes to the other side, it becomes a reciprocal. So 77 into 7 by 2 becomes 2 by 7. And this 7 and 77 we can cancel by 11 times. So 2 into 11 is 22. And this minus 1 becomes 23. So n is 23 after the simplification here. So now we know the number of terms, n is 80. So once you know the number of terms, either you can use the first formula because we know n, a and d, we know all the three values. So you can use the first formula to find sum of 23 terms, or you can also use the last formula, which I think is more simplified form. So S24, the sum, S23, the sum of the 23 terms is equals to, I'll use this formula, which is 23 by 2 a plus l. So a is 7, l the last term is 84. So 23 by 2, 84 plus 7 is 91. Okay, this is true here, no more cancellation. So 91 and 23 will quickly multiply. 91, 23, 3, 27, 2, so 390, 2093 by 2. So this is your answer, the sum of the first 23 terms of this sequence. When they're writing plus in between, that means obviously they're asking for the sum of these terms. Okay. So we've used this formula. Let us say if you wanted to solve the same question using this formula, how do we do it? So I'll quickly show you. So S23 is n by 2, 2a. So 2 into a, 2 into 7 plus n minus 1. So 23 minus 1 is 22 into the common difference value is, we have already found, is 7 by 2. Okay, I simplify. So 23 by 2, this is 14. This and this will give you 11. So 11 into 7, this 2 and 22 gives you 11. 11 into 7 is 77. 77 plus 14 is 91. So you get the same term, if you can see, 23 by 2 into 91, 23 by 2 into 91, which is the same as 2093 by 2. You'll get the same answer. So you're free to use this one or this one, whichever you're more comfortable with. Okay. Also, 2093 by 2 is your answer, but you can also write the same in mixed fraction form. So mixed fraction form, you divide, you get 1, 0, 4, 6, and 1 is the remainder. which you write in the numerator by 2. So we can leave our answer either as 2093 by 2 or 1046 1 by 2 in the form of mixed fraction. Alright. So the next question, second question, second part, the AP is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus 10. Okay, so quickly, the first term A is 34. The common difference is 32 minus 24, which is minus 2. You have to find the sum of all these terms here. But we don't know the number of terms here. So number of terms is what we're supposed to find. Here in the sequence, the last term is given. That means the nth term. An is given as 10. So we'll use an to find the number of terms. How do we find an? How do we use an? An, the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is given plus n minus 1, n value we don't know, into the common difference value is minus 2 in the brackets is equals to 10. An, and use the formula, is equals to 10 as it is. The 34 goes to the other side, becomes minus 34. So n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 34, which is minus 24. This minus 2 is in multiplication here. So when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So minus 24 by minus 2 gives you 12. So n becomes 13. So the number of terms are 13. Okay, so we now know the number of terms in this. We know the first term and the last term. So we can quickly use this formula to find S13. So S13 is going to be n by 2, which is 13 by 2, a plus L. So a the first term, L the last term. So 34 plus 10. Okay, it's one and the same. N by 2, a plus an. So a, an. So 10 is an or L. So 34 plus 10 is 44. So 13 into 44, and you can cancel, you get 22. So 13 and 22 we quickly multiply. 6, 2, 6, 2, 6, 8, 2. So the sum of the first 13 terms here in this sequence will be 286. Okay. The next question, the next part, third part, question number 2. The AP given here is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus dash dash, and the last term given here is minus 230. So here a, the first term is minus 5. The common difference is succeeding term minus the preceding term. So succeeding term minus the preceding term, which is minus 5. So this is minus 8 plus 5, which is minus 3. So this is the common difference value. We know the nth term, the last term is given here, which is minus 230. An is minus 230. An or L, we can call it L as well, the last term. So minus 230, An formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1, n is unknown, into the common difference value is minus 3 in the brackets, is equals to minus 230. Okay, an have replaced, is equals to minus 230 as it is. Minus 5 becomes plus 5, so n minus 1 into minus 3 is equals to minus 230 plus 5, which is minus 225. This minus 3 goes to the other side, becomes, this is multiplication, so when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So minus 225 by minus 3 will divide. Minus minus cancel, 3, this is 7 and 5. So n minus 1 is equal to 75, meaning n is 76. So the number of terms in the sequence 1, 2 and so on. So the number of terms here 1, 2, 3 like this till minus 230, there are 76 number of terms. So we are supposed to find the sum of these 76 terms. So S76 is what we are supposed to find. So we use let us say this formula. We can use this formula also. We'll use this formula this time. So n by 2, 76 by 2, 2a. So 2 into a is minus 5 plus n minus 1, so 76 minus 1 into the common difference value, which is minus 3. So we simplify, this is 38, this is minus 10, and this is 70 into 3, 210. This will give you minus 225. We simplify, so 38 multiplied by minus 235. So 38 into minus 235 will quickly multiply. 235 and 38. 40, 0 carry 4, 8 carry 2, 5 carry 1, 0 carry 1, 0, 3 carry 1, 8. So minus 8930 is the sum of these 76 terms. Observe, it's a negative number. Of course, it will be a negative number because we are adding negative numbers. So minus, the sign is going to be negative, but we are going to add them when you individually add them. Alright, so that is how we solve this question.